I have always believed that the purpose of leadership is not to make people dependent upon the leader. It is to make people discover the leader within themselves. And that is precisely what India's Yuva Shakti needs today. Not people who tell them constantly what they cannot do, but people who challenge them to discover what they can do. Not leaders who merely seek their applause, but leaders who earn their trust. Not leadership that is obsessed about the next position, about the next designation, but leadership that is committed to the next generation. My young friends, you will determine what India looks like in 2047. But remember, 2047 is being created in 2026. It is being created in the choices that you make today. In the classrooms, where you choose curiosity over complacency. In the workplace, where you choose integrity over convenience. In the startup, where you choose innovation over imitation. In public life, where you choose service before self. And in moments of adversity, where you choose courage over cynicism. The Kathopanishad calls out across thousands of years, Uttishth Jagrit Prapya Varanni Bodhata. Arise, awake, उठो, जागो और तब तक आगे बढ़ते रहो जब तक अपने भीतर की श्रेष्ठतम संभावना को साकार न कर लो. So on this 80th Independence Day, let us remember just one word. Bharat. Be, believe. भारत पर विश्वास रखिए, स्वयं पर विश्वास रखिए. H, harmony. मतभेद रखिए, मनभेद नहीं. A, action. शिकायत से समाधान की ओर बढ़िए. R, responsibility. अधिकार के साथ साथ कर्तव्य को भी समझिए. A, aspiration. सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं, भारत के लिए भी एक बड़ा सपना देखिए. And finally, T, त्याग. जहां आवश्यकता हो, अपने छोटे स्वार्थ को बड़े हित के लिए छोड़ना सीखिए. Believe, harmony, action, responsibility, aspiration, त्याग. That is my Bharat. And perhaps that can become our Bharat. A Bharat that is prosperous, but also compassionate. Powerful, but principled. Technologically advanced, but deeply human. Globally confident, but civilizationally rooted. A Bharat where success is celebrated, but service is worshipped. A Bharat where disagreement does not become hatred. A Bharat where young people do not merely search for jobs, but create possibilities. A Bharat whose leaders do not occupy just positions, but inspire generations. Our freedom fighters gave us an independent India. अब हमारी बारी है. हम आने वाली पीढ़ियों को कैसा भारत देकर के जाएंगे? When future generations look back upon us, I hope that they will say, उन्हें स्वतंत्र भारत विरासत में मिला था, लेकिन उन्होंने केवल स्वतंत्रता का उत्सव नहीं मनाया, उन्होंने उस स्वतंत्रता को महानता में बदल दिया. They inherited freedom, they transformed it into greatness. यही हमारा संकल्प है, यही हमारा कर्तव्य है और यही भारत माता के चरणों में हमारा योगदान है.